Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Clone Engine 23 Kicks. Yes, this awesome medic trooper from the 501st, and this is from the new Koruit that I custom into like this. I custom the helmet printings, the forehead. I make the line, this thick line into more thin, much better. Also the visor, on the helmet, I make the line more also thin, so now it's much better. Also the respirator, this shape, breathe shape, here we go into like this. And I changed the torso, the leg, the arm with the WM, the new WM. Also the backpack from WM, here we go. Here we go. All you need is buying two figure with totally $2. Yes, because this both figure, it's bootleg figure from Koruit, the new Koruit and the new WM of the the newest sets of 5 offers. Yes, Koruit and WM into this easy, amazing minifigure of Kicks. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Please comment what do you think. Just stay tuned on my channel. I have so many idea of customing great minifigure, great Star Wars minifigure. Don't forget to visit my other channel, Azot Combat. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram with the name DimasWig23. Always, guys, always stay safe. God bless you and thank you for watching. Clone Engine 23 out, sir. Yes, sir.